Hey, what's up guys? It's Lydia here. Thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The video that I made for you guys today is super exciting. It is the no product challenge, and I've gotten so many questions about what my hair looks like without any leave-in products, and so today I'm going to be answering those questions and showing you guys what my hair looks like without any gels or creams or anything you put in your hair after the shower. So I'm just going to shampoo and condition, and I'm really excited to do it, so without further ado, let's hop in that shower. Alrighty, so my hair is finally dry. Thank you, Jesus. And just in case any of you guys were wondering, my hair is air dried. I did not diffuse my hair, so it is 100% au naturel. And here are the results of using no product in my hair, and I am super happy with the results. I am so proud of my hair for being legit and pulling through and just being itself. And as you can see, my hair is a little bit more poofy than normal, but that is just because I didn't use any product. My hair looks a little more frizzy, but I don't mind because I think my hair actually looks really good and I'm super happy with it. And I hope you guys can maybe try out the no product challenge too and see how your curls respond. I think it's actually really fun to do, and I had a lot of fun making this video and showing you guys what my hair looks like with no product in it at all. And I think I passed this little no product challenge. But yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to type them down below and I will try my best to answer them. And if this video was helpful, fun, or anything positive, just give it a thumbs up please. I would very much appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed and joined this beautiful curly team, feel free to do so down below where it says subscribe. And you can have fun with all of us. And if you want to, there's a little bell next to it and you can get notified every single time I make a video if you click it. And yeah, sweet. Also, wait, before I go, if you guys have any video recommendations, feel free to comment those down below as well. I really want to know what you guys want to see from me, and it can even be about fashion, makeup, or faith-based videos. Anything could be about my life. Just feel free to comment those ideas so your girl Lids can figure out what she wants to do next. Alright, thank you so much for watching again, you guys. I love you guys so much, and tune in next time for more bits and plates.